Hello once again. You may be familiar with the circuit. Do you remember this is the circuit that I've been building for some time back? So here we are again. So the ECR, I want to use the ECR to drive a heater. Let's see. Okay, I set it up. I already tried it to heat it, so the water probably is already hot now. So we'll try to do it again so that you can see what is the response of this ECR circuit with a higher load. This is 1000 watts heater. I want you to see how this one works now. Okay, we will power on the circuit. I will switch off. Yeah, it's off. Now I want to give so it is off. I want to give a load to that. I will trigger that one. Okay, just now it is catching. Okay, so it is responding. Now that is 33 volts. Okay, I will try to get my lamp meter. Okay, let's go back. So I'm going to increase the load now. Somewhere. Okay, 32 volts, and that is equal this. That is the current. So we'll increase it. So this one probably will give around 4 amps when it is full load. So we'll increase slowly. So this is the current now. So it's increasing 2 amps, 2 amps, 3, 5, 3.9. Okay, 4. So this is the maximum current that we can deliver to this load, because this is only 1000 watts load. See, and that is our heater. It is boiling now. Okay, you can see it clearly. It is boiling. And then if we reduce our load, we'll make it. We'll adjust the trigger. Okay, we'll make it 3. Okay, 3 amps. For sure our load would be reduced also. Okay, I'll reduce it more. I'll make it half. 2 amps. Okay, so our load stops boiling. Okay, let's increase it to 4 amps. Then now see, it is boiling. I'll reduce it. So it stops boiling now. So the circuit is now tested with this high load. This is 1000 watts load. So it's sure it will it can power up this type of circuit this capacity because the our ACR is about 25 ohms. So this is the same circuit before. You can see if you can remember it. Now it's 0, so it didn't boil anymore. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much. So this heater has been lying inside my toolbox for a long time, and just now I'll have the time to do it, so I showed it to you. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.